Hello, this is Terry Cole, and I am going to show you how I am using CodeBuilder to do metadata backup as an admin. CodeBuilder is something you can find inside your settings. If you have enterprise, you can search for development, and there's CodeBuilder, and you have to click this to enable, and you have to install, and then you have to assign yourself to a permission set group that it creates. And then you, in your non-admin pane, you click on the switcher and go to CodeBuilder, and you will find this launch button. And when you click it, up pops CodeBuilder and will ask you to connect to an org. I connected to my production. If you don't want to do that, you can create a fresh sandbox and connect to it. And you have to log into it, and then here you are. And you can see that I'm in my production, but you can connect to multiple orgs, and you would switch back and forth. And you can see your metadata. Let's see, where is that? You can see the metadata in the cloud. The org browser lets you see the production and all the different things that are going on. And then you can go to the Explorer here, the two little panes, and you will want to find the Force app directory. It'll look like this, and you simply click on download. Right click and hit download, and it needs, at least on my file system, it needs me to have created an empty subdirectory already, and in this case I put it in downloads, and I called it metadata backup, and I say select that folder, and I need to allow the site to view files and save changes. And you will see down here this little circle begins downloading, and it's transferring at 400 bits per second or so, and it will download about 2.5 meg or 7,000 files. And then when you go to your directory structure, I already did one here. When you go to your directory structure, here is the Force app, main, default, all part of the normal. Here's the objects, for example, and here's all my objects, including some down here at the bottom that all start with sim, that are our custom objects. So I now have the source code on my computer, which I can save, and I have a metadata backup, and it's actually operational. It could go into source control. It could be modified and pushed back to a sandbox. It's pretty exciting. So CodeBuilder, it makes all these dev tools accessible to an admin with 3 clicks of buttons, and no maintaining the tools and constant upgradings, and no dealing with manifest lists and all these other things that used to be required. So give it a try. I am very excited.